I'm spirited. Blue, red, and I'm wearing the white. I'm giving myself diabetes. We waited all day. And somewhere over there. Yeah, look at that. Sheridan, this one's in honor of you. Okay, everyone, here we go. It is 4th of July here at Bass Lake, and yeah, look at this mess. I'm just gonna go in the lake today and I'm gonna swim and enjoy it and hope that there's not too many crazy people, because last night it was a party on the lake and I don't even know where it was. But I couldn't sleep. There was just blaring music from like a boat. I kind of wanted to go out there and party with them. Another beautiful day at the lake. And yeah, the trip's almost over. We have today and tomorrow, and then we leave early on Saturday. It's been a fun trip. Yosemite, I did not vlog a lot of it because it was just so overwhelming because of how packed it was. It took us probably like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to find a parking space. There were just so many people there. Like, I've never seen it that busy in my entire life, and I've been going there for years, so it really just blew my mind to like see it like so crowded like that. Kind of bummed me out. It made me a little sad. I didn't want to see my like Yosemite. Like, I consider it like that is my camping home. Like, when I think of camping, like Yosemite will always be like #1 on the list. It's just a bummer to like see like all of these people who were there, and there was no rotation, so no one was like leaving. No offense to Yosemite, but like it's like when you go to like one like landmark, like one area, like it's pretty quick to like finish it and then you're back in your car. So I don't know what the deal was, but anyway, that's why I didn't vlog a lot yesterday. That's why that vlog was so short. Today will probably just be a short vlog too. I wanted to vlog every day of the trip, so that's what I'm doing. Camping's almost done. Yeah, I'm sad, but also I need to go back to work. I gotta start getting my other like affairs in order of like for school the upcoming year. I have to take care of all of that. Like, this has been the perfect vacation. So okay, I've been talking for a long time. I'm gonna go now, but I'll see you guys later. Okay, yeah. Got a book, the lake, 4th of July, some bam everywhere. Good day.
No, blow back up, blow back up, blow back up. I'm just kidding, delete that.
Because there has to be a grown up.
Sheridan, this one's in honor of you. Okay, everyone, here we go. It's 4th of July, you guys. It's 4th of July. Now that we kids have had our time out in the lake, our parents want to have some time to do that. So I'm gonna take some pictures and vlog footage. I'm giving myself diabetes. But listen, I only asked for 2 scoops of ice cream because they gave you ginormous scoops and it's supposed to be 3, and I was like, can I just please have 2? Because I don't want that much. And they topped it with all of this. This is like the last time I'm ever gonna get one of these, so that's why I was like, I gotta get it. So I'm going back now. I'm gonna try to keep it looking as pretty as possible and enjoying our day on the lake. So yay, sugar! Oh, I get it. They think they're cool.
Send that to me.
I can't. Crazy kids. Back in my day, all we needed was our Game Boys and we were happy. None of this internet mess. It's almost the end of the night on 4th of July. And here we are, getting ready to hopefully see some fireworks. I don't know where they're gonna be, but I see like all like the boats are like making their way out to like the middle. We shall see. I'm spirited. Blue, red, and I'm wearing the white. So, yay, America! Happy birthday, America! Ah! It's all gone. Oh, it's gone. Bye bye. Woo, see ya. 1 minute you're defending the whole galaxy, and suddenly you're sipping down Darjeeling with Marie Antoinette and her little sister. Don't you get it? Do you see the hat? I am Mrs. Nesbit. We waited all day. And, somewhere over there. Yeah, look at that. Oh wait, there's a bat. Where is it? There it is. Batman? Oh, it's perched! He paused for the photo op. It was so nice of the bat to do that. I got a picture.
Can you send me that video because yours is better quality?
I don't know about that because it's really dark, but I'll send it. This light is really bright.
What about the picture?
Not good quality either, but I'll send it. Very happy that we came all the way out here for this. Why is the lighting so much brighter on my phone than it is in real life? I don't like it. I love fireworks so much. I love how it looks like the trees are on fire. It looks so good.